Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today I will be telling how to think in English. And for thinking in English, we should make English first interesting. So how we should do that, I will be explaining in this video. Okay, now I will be telling you how you can think in English. So the thing is, before speaking, we should think in English. So for thinking in English, we should like that thing. Then only we can think about it, isn't it? Okay, you are facing confusion now. You are thinking what I am saying. Let me give you one example. Then maybe it will be clearer for you. Okay. So when you like someone, when you fall for someone, or you have crush on someone, let's say whatever it is, then you just can't stop thinking about that person. Why is it so? Because some other things are there in that person, like let's say looks, it can be behavior, personality, that is those things, it can be any one of them or two of them. So you find that those things attractive and you just can't stop thinking about it. That is the reason, right? So similarly, you should also start considering English also some of the things as interesting. So now you think that English is very much boring. For me, maybe it is easy to say because I can now speak in English. That is the thing. Now you would be saying that you already know how to speak in English. That is the reason you say that English is interesting. No, nothing is interesting. You have to find out some ways to make it feel like interesting. So the thing is, if you are learning English just because you have to learn, or just because it's a global language, that is the reason you should speak and you should do it, then it will be boring for you and you won't be able to continue doing this thing. And it's not only for English, it's applicable for all the cases. Okay, in all the cases it's applicable, whether it's English, language, subject, whatever you choose. You should not feel that you have to do it. You should do it because you like to do. Now you would be saying that no, you are comfortable that in Hindi only, you are not comfortable in English. Okay, so what to do? English is a global language, so you should do it, but there are some ways to make it interesting. Now I will be telling you how to make those things interesting. The first thing which you do is a mistake which you guys do is like you start cramming grammar rules. Yes, this is the most mistake which you guys are doing. Look, grammar we all know. If I may ask you that what is simple tense or past tense, maybe right now you won't be able to tell me in detail, but you know, like things are there in your brain, but you won't be able to explain me properly with proper example because you learned these things a long time back in your childhood times. So now, for recapping, those things are necessary instead of cramming the rules. Cramming meaning instead of mugging up those rules, okay? So you can do like that on YouTube. There are plenty of videos available there. Lot of videos are available related to tense or any topic. You just start watching them. 2 or 3 videos, watch it for better understanding. Then you just understand. You just recall those things, whatever you have learned. Don't cram it. Don't mug up those things. Mug up the examples. Start making examples on your own. So after doing it, you already know, like if I ask you the adjective, then you can say, then what is the point of cramming grammar rules again and again? Look, grammar are very much necessary. Grammar is very much necessary because it's needed for writing and for competitive examination and for other examination. But just because I am right now telling about speaking in English, and also my channel is all about spoken English, so I would be focusing in that only. So for speaking English, as I have already said before only, that tenses are required. Okay, tenses are the basic thing which you should do. So you can just recap the things whatever you have learned in your earlier times. After that, okay, now no need to do practice grammar and all. Now for speaking, for writing you can do definitely. Don't take my words otherwise, okay? Alright, so now how to make it interesting? You can just pick any kind of genre. Like let's say I like horror movies a lot. So maybe it can vary for you. You can like rom-com, comedy, anything, any genre you should like. Okay, you like, so you can pick any of the genre, whichever you like. So start watching movies in them. Okay, about them you just start watching. It can be Netflix, on YouTube, it can be anywhere, just start watching it. So when you have interest in some field, it's the thing, we have human tendency that we have interest, so it's not like that we are putting our concentration like forcefully. It comes naturally when you have interest in the field. So that is the reason I am telling you to find some movies which you have already interest. Watch the movies in English. In case if you don't understand, you can turn on the subtitles. Okay, and after that try to off it and watch it. Alright, not the same movie, other movies. then it will be boring if you watch the same movie again and again. Are you getting my point? Alright, then you will be putting your interest automatically. You should not put it forcefully. So now what? Then what will happen? Unknowingly or unconsciously, the sentences which are being spoken by those actors, then those sentences only you will be using in your conversations unknowingly. No, it's not like that one movie you will watch and those sentences only you will be able to apply in your daily conversation. No, it's not like that. You should watch videos, like it can be any video, you should do it. It's a continuous process. It's not like that one video you will watch and it will be like applicable for your daily conversation. No, you should watch it all the time whenever you get free time. Pick your favorite genre and watch the movie of it. Then unknowingly or unconsciously you will be picking up those sentences, and while conversing you will be using those sentences, and also you will get idea about how to construct sentence. Now I think you understood why did I give you the example of that crush. Okay, so now then only you will be able to think in English. So after doing this process, finding interest in English, then only you can think in English. Thinking in English, now you will be, it is natural. Thinking in English is natural, it's not forcefully. When you have interest, you start thinking about it. Then you will start thinking and you will think about the dialogues which are being spoken by those actors. Then you will do it like that. So it's automatic process, it's a natural process. Don't make it like forcefully. Do this trick, guys. I think it will be helping you. And yeah, that's all. And it's not like that one video only it will be applicable. You can watch short video, and it's a daily process. Every day you should watch. It's not like that one video will be only applicable in your daily conversation. Okay, I hope you got my point. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want you can share this video to your friends who also needs this type of suggestion, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye, thanks for watching.